When buying a car, color selection might seem secondary to performance, features, or price. However, car color can influence safety, resale value, and even maintenance needs. Here's a comprehensive look at the best car colors to buy and how different shades impact various aspects of car ownership. The most popular car colors remain neutral, with white topping the charts at 34%, according to the BASF Automotive Color Trends Report for 2024 to 2025. Black, silver, and gray closely follow, maintaining their status as timeless favorites. These achromatic shades dominate the automotive market because they are versatile, appeal to a wide audience, and work across vehicle types. Interestingly, lighter colors, such as silver and white, have gained traction in recent years while automakers are phasing out certain gray tones. Here's a breakdown of the most popular car colors. White, 34%, black, 22%, silver, 14%, gray, 10%, blue, 9%, red, 8%. While neutrals dominate, vibrant options like Neoteric Yellow from Hyundai Kona, Molten Magenta, Metallic from Ford Mustang, and Bright Moss Green from Volkswagen Taos are gaining appeal. These bold shades offer a refreshing alternative for buyers seeking individuality. However, these less conventional colors might impact resale value as trends shift and consumer preferences evolve. The color of your car can significantly affect its resale value. Neutral shades like white, black, silver, and gray tend to retain their value better because they appeal to a broader audience. On the other hand, brighter colors such as orange, yellow, or purple can either enhance or diminish a car's resale potential, depending on market trends and consumer demand. For instance, bright orange, like the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8's Sebring Orange tint coat, is iconic and likely to hold value for niche buyers. Glowing yellow, such as in the Hyundai Sonata, may not find the same favor due to its polarizing nature. Car colors by vehicle type. Different vehicle categories exhibit distinct color preferences. SUVs, gray leads at 25%, followed by white at 24%. Minivans, white dominates at 34%, with gray at 23.5%. Pickup trucks, white tops the list at 27%, with gray at 21.5%. Luxury cars, white pearl or metallic is preferred at 31.5%, overtaking black. Compact cars. Buyers often experiment with playful colors, but white at 25% remains the most popular. Convertibles and coupes. Black at 21% is the favorite for sporty models, followed by gray at 19.5%. Maintenance and cleanliness. Car colors also affect how often they need cleaning and how well they hide dirt. Easiest to maintain. Gray, silver, and white hide dirt and scratches well. Hardest to maintain. Black looks sleek but quickly shows dust, dirt, and swirl marks, while green, red, and yellow stand out but require frequent cleaning to maintain their vibrancy. Safest car colors. Safety-conscious buyers often prioritize visibility. According to research, white cars are the safest, with drivers experiencing a 12% lower accident risk than those in black vehicles. Yellow, orange, and gold are also considered safe due to their high visibility, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Most stolen car colors. Car theft statistics reveal that black, silver, white, green, and gold vehicles are the most frequently stolen. These colors are common, making them easier to blend in and harder to track. When choosing a car color, consider how it aligns with your style, maintenance preferences, and long-term plans. Neutral shades like white, black, silver, and gray are reliable and practical choices for most buyers. However, if you want to stand out, vibrant colors like orange or blue can make a bold statement. Ultimately, selecting the right car color is about finding the perfect balance between aesthetics, functionality, and practicality.